up, y'all? This is Shorty.
This is Lady J.
And this what we up here hanging out up here at the Purple Martina tonight. They doing their thing, they doing their thing. We just got these two people get up off the stage. What's your name, Mom?
Baby G.
All right, Baby G. And you?
Yo, I'm Sniper, know what I'm saying?
That's what's up, that's what's up. I see y'all did y'all thing up there. You doing your little thing. You had them all going on at the end, too. I got to give you that, So, I mean, how long y'all been doing this music thing?
Oh, shit, I've been doing this for a minute, you know what I'm saying?
How about you?
Tell you, I dropped out of high school for this music thing, you know what I'm saying?
Make your money then, make your money.
Make my money, you know what I'm saying? I've been doing rap since I was 17, though, straight up. I got them numbers on my belt, dog. We coming hard for the underground, you know what I mean?
All right, I see he all enthusiastic. That's what's up, that's what's up. I mean, so where can we find y'all then? What's up? If we want to find some more of y'all music, where can we go to get hooked up with y'all?
Hey, you can go to www.track3studios. That's track without a K, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, track3studios.com. And you can check my whole album out. Brand new album called Smoking Poetry, you know what I'm saying?
Wow, that's exciting. You just amped up for this. Y'all help this man make his money since he said he got out of school for this. Help him get his paper up. Where can we find you at, Mama?
Oh, track3studios.com, baby, you know.
Already. That's how we doing it up here at the Purple Martini. Y'all make sure to come down here. It go down. Have y'all some fun every Thursday night. That's what's up.
Yeah. Where my underground soldiers at? Where all my underground soldiers at, dog? This some new shit right here, dog. We like motherfuck the mainstream. This the underground. Hey, come on, dog. Where my underground soldiers at, dog? Yeah, know what I'm saying, nigga? We some real motherfucking G's, dog. Coming live, dog. About to take over.
Man, you know it's that girl, Baby G. I'm here to rock the house in H-Town. You know, I'm that girl from Homestead. You heard me?
Hey, check us out, dog. www.track3studios.com. We about to make a whole new underground portal of entertainment. It's gonna be new artists coming out, cause I ain't the only one. It's other soldiers out there in the game. We all soldiers, dog. We out here fighting to keep our